In the dusty corner of a forgotten antique shop, Eric found it. An old, ornate typewriter with intricate designs and keys that shimmered faintly under the dim light. The shopkeeper warned him, but Eric brushed it off, thinking only of the stories he could write. That night, he sat at the typewriter, fingers poised. As he began to type, the words flowed effortlessly, almost as if the typewriter had a mind of its own. "Once upon a midnight dreary," he began, the typewriter clicking with a life of its own. Hours passed, and the story darkened, taking on a life far removed from Eric's original vision. Descriptions of shadows, whispers, and cold breaths filled the pages. Suddenly, the room grew icy, and Eric felt a presence behind him. Turning, he saw nothing, but the feeling remained. He continued typing, unable to stop, as if the typewriter demanded it. The characters in his story started to resemble his friends and family, meeting gruesome fates. Panic set in as he realized the typewriter was crafting their doom. Desperate, he tried to stop, but his hands were no longer his own. The final line typed itself. And so, the writer became the written. Eric's scream was the last thing heard before the typewriter fell silent. In the morning, only a blank page lay on the desk, the typewriter gone.